We really need to have a new way of thinking, not this polarized dichotometric thinking. If you're not with me, then you're against me kind of thing. That doesn't serve anybody. That's stupidity. It's not abject stupidity. In other words, some people get something out of those ideas, at least. Mm-hmm. But they're not good ideas. They don't construct anything. They can't, because they're not designed to construct anything. They're designed to destroy things. They're trying to they're designed to say, this is mine and that's yours, and you don't have what I have. I have more than you, and so therefore you don't count. Well, the reason why you have more than me is because you hoard it all to yourself, I think. If you give me the chance to also make money, then you can make what's more than what I am, because I'm going to spend it on what you've got, and you're going to be further ahead. So it's bad economics, and it's purely stupid. So the thing is that we have to have a substantially different manner of thinking if we're to survive. Because think about this: if in the next election it is as the generals are predicting, that we need to be prepared for civil war, are we going to survive that? Because of this very same thinking of I want to be popular. My ego can't sustain that there's a pandemic. 800,000 people are dead. That's a lot of people that are dead.
It's a lot.
And because of what? Because somebody can't admit that his poll numbers might look bad? What the hell does poll numbers have to do with people dying? We can't sustain that. That results in nuclear war, just as sure as God made little green apples. That's because that's our biggest bang for the buck. And that's what we're going to use against each other. Yeah. And so we have to think about things differently. Why is it that we don't want to deal with climate change? Because you're not dealing with climate change, so I'm not going to either. So there. It's not fair to me that I have to and you don't. You don't have enough money to deal with it, then I'm not going to spend my money to make it better for you. Well, that sounds like a fourth grade idea. Or second grade idea, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, and so it starts in the dyad. It starts with relationships between you and I. I was having this conversation with Lisa this morning, actually. I was pointing out to her that a relationship has to be generous. You can't parse out what you're going to give for or to the other person. It can't make any differences. It's the other person. Whatever they need, and if you have it, it's theirs just the same as it's yours. And especially in the dyad. Mm-hmm. And so you have to be generous with that. There can't be mine and yours. It's a thing over there that we both are tapping into. That's all.
The Dyad Workshop on-demand videos will be available for purchase in our store soon. Follow us on Facebook at Forging Agreement for workshop release date announcements. Links in the description below. Before you go, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to stay up to date for new videos.